Today, business applications are becoming more interconnected. Your business processes touch as many different software applications from browsers to interfaces with third-party applications. Any change in one application requires you to test other applications. To make sure your processes are working correctly, you need to create test cases, run and analyze them, and then run and analyze again. But can you get all that done with the best quality in the expected time? What about the cost? Well, the solution is easy. AppVerify is the fastest, easiest, and most complete way to test your business applications. With AppVerify, you can test the functionality of any application or website in any environment. Let's take a look at how to perform a test with AppVerify. Every test begins with a scenario. Creating scenarios is as simple as explaining in plain terms how one uses the application. If you can explain it, you can create it in Scenario Builder. Let's open Scenario Builder and see how easy it is to create scenarios. So say you want to create a scenario to search for a round-trip flight. The first step in the process is to open the airline website and wait for the website to be loaded. Next, set the variables and store some values in them. It should be pointed out that Scenario Recorder lets you use different hotkeys to do various actions. Then, search for the flights. And finally, select your desired result. Did you notice that we built a scenario in just a few minutes? Okay, so what if you forgot a step or need to add on to the scenario? In the edit mode, simply add, delete, or modify actions whenever necessary. Here, we're adding an onFailure action to our script. In this scenario, onFailure closes the internet browser to reset the workstation. Scenario Builder lets you play back scenarios as many times as you want to work through and resolve any issues that might come up later. Here, you see the variables data being entered into the search form. After a successful run-through, set the reference time, save and send the scenario to the AppVerify controller. Now that our script is ready, let's see how it's possible to create a test plan and run it in the AppVerify controller. The AppVerify controller is the console from which test plans are built, managed, and executed. It is also the database which generates summarized, detailed test results and reports. The controller can be opened locally by launching the application or remotely with the web browser. We'll open with the web browser and log in. To start the process of creating, simply click on Manage Test Plans and then Create New Test Plan to open a new blank test plan form. We'll start by entering a name for the test plan. Next, select a project, and then choose and click on the desired group. In the next section, select your script. In this example, Southwest Airlines scenario. The data section is where the AppVerify displays any variables attached to the scenario. Each variable in your script may have multiple data states. These data states exercise the logic in the application. Let's add some variable states and put some values on them. A data state could be valid, invalid, a date in the past, a date in the future, duplicate, and so on. Next, click on Generate Test Cases. Here, you can see the list of the test cases that have been created in the previous section. From this list, you can go through every test case and edit or delete them. If necessary, you can add a new test case. After you're done, the test plan can be moved to its final step. In AppVerify, you can add validation points to verify the outcome for a specific test case. At the validation point, AppVerify will look for the expected outcome and determine if the test passed or failed. Let's set a validation point for one of our test cases. Here, we're specifying what would happen if the user leaves a destination box empty. You can add many actions for each test case, but only one validation point. Validation points can be inserted anywhere in the script. Simply drag and drop them in the desired place. Here, we'll set it after the search action. Okay, let me add validation points for other test cases before moving forward. When you're done with this part, click on Publish to complete the creation process. Now the test plan is ready to be executed. Simply click on Generate Test Plan Run. Once you click on it, you will automatically be moved to a Test Plan Run report page. Here, you get an overview of the test plan run. From this page, you can delete any test cases from the test plan run before executing. To start the test plan run execution, click on the play button. Once you click on it, AppVerify will distribute the test plan across our tester. Here, we see the playback of our scenario via the RDP session. Back to the test plan run report page, you notice two cases have shifted to the success status. After the test plan run is over, results will be visible on the test plan run report page. It will show how many test cases have succeeded, failed, or not played in the test plan run. In this page, you can see that the status icon has changed to a dial. Additionally, AppVerify gathers some details from the test plan run. You can export this data to an external file to view it outside of the AppVerify controller. For the failed test cases, AppVerify provides screenshots of the actual screen captured at the time of the failure. Note that you can run as many scripts as you want to a test plan and run them on multiple R testers. Let's take a look. This is a test plan which contains 3 scripts with many different test cases. Let's click on play and see how AppVerify executes all these test cases. Here, you see all 3 scripts are running simultaneously. You can peek inside each R tester session and watch each script proceed step by step through the test run. In the test plan run report page, we can track test plan run results as the tests progress. AppVerify provides options to view summary reports of all test runs and the latest one through Manage Reports section. Here, you see the test plan run has just been completed. Lastly, it gives you the option to view the latest test results by groups and projects and analyzing the data collected in a project from the dashboard section. AppVerify is designed to boost your testing team's efforts to test more and test faster through simplifying the process of generating test plans for all parts of an application or a website by creating various tests, automatically testing all of your applications without buying and installing any additional software or plugins, the ability of viewing the test results and failure screenshots instantly, helping you to perform tests in hours, not weeks. Download a free trial version of the AppVerify and start verifying your applications today.